Okay, I received some locks from Michael Snyder today. This 6-pin vest lock has a control key with it, which I've been wanting one of these, and I appreciate Michael sending it to me. And we also have a 6-pin lockwood. I may turn this into a flywheel type challenge lock. And then we've got another mortar cylinder lock, I think. Okay, we got a LSDA 6-pin. This is bidding on the key. The lock does work real smooth. Tell you what, let's open this lock up and look at the pins. I don't think I've ever opened an LSD lock. I'm sure it's just like any Slade lock though. Okay, let's use top of the keyway. And let's see. Let's start off with this little small pick. See what we can do with it. Let's go all the way to the back. Okay, pin 5 gives a little bit of a false set touching it. Pin 6 moves some. Okay, there was pin 3, pin 2. Let's go to the back again. Okay, pin 6 moved a little more. Okay, there was pin 3, I believe, maybe in pin 2. Okay, pin 1 gives a little bit more of a false set. Okay, pin 6 moved a little bit more. Okay, there was pin 3 again. Okay, get a little feedback off of pin 4, I believe. Feel like it might have a spool in it. Let's try a different pick now. See what we can do with this. Get under pin 4. Okay, it's got a I believe there's a spool in that lock. If I can get the set. Okay, I believe that pin 4 set then. Got another spool, I believe, somewhere. Okay, it's open. Okay, let's gut it and see how many spools or serrated pins that it has in it. Be interesting to know. Get the camera down where you can see the lock. Okay. Okay, let's check the bottom pins first. There's the other pin, I guess. Oh, that's a 7-pin lock. I thought I was picking a 6-pin lock. This is the LSDA. It says 6-pin, but it's got 7 pins in it. Shoot, if I'd known that, I probably wouldn't have been able to pick it. Okay, nothing weird about the plug. Says 6-pin on the key, so I guess the 7th pin was on here. So, alright, let's see what kind of pins are in this top. I'll put them down, then we'll look at them real close with the camera. Okay, looks like some type of spool on that one. Okay, we got one more pin. There we go. Alright, all 7 pins. That was surprising. Alright, let's see if we can get close. Look at the pins. And I got this one rolled over out of place. This one, this one. Okay, that's close enough. Alright, let's see what we got here on the... Alright, this lock has standard pins on the bottom and all the way across. There was 2 spools there. Here's another serrated pin and a spool. Spool and serrated pin and a serrated pin. So that's what we have in this supposedly 6-pin LSD lock or LSDA lock. LSDA 6-pin. Well, there were 7 pins in there, Michael. You fool me. Alright, I appreciate your time. Please do not do anything illegal, and please stay out of trouble. Thank you very much.